It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.
Toolbox, Yogi MD 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 Toolbox, Yogi.
Let's strengthen your warrior two. Good for your body and good for your mind. This is also going to get your shoulders nice and strong. From your wide stance, turn your left toes in and your right toes to the right. Bend your right knee over your right ankle and make your knee go towards your right baby toe. Take your yoga strap in your hands, make fists, and press your fists to the opposite walls, keeping the strap at shoulder height. Look over your right shoulder and breathe. Let's change sides from a wide stance, turning the right toes slightly in and the left toes to the left, bending the left knee over the left ankle and aiming the knee towards the baby toe on the left. Keep your shoulders over your hips, arms parallel to the floor, stretching the strap between your hands and breathing. Relaxing the face, jaw, and tongue. Thanks for being here. See you next time.
Yogi MD Toolbox, 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 Yogi MD Toolbox.
It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.